Eric Trump, the son of former U.S. President Donald Trump, has made a bold statement confirming that the American banking system is outdated, inefficient, expensive, and painfully slow. His remarks echo what many within the crypto industry have been saying for years. The current financial infrastructure is in need of replacement, and blockchain technology provides the natural solution. In this video, we look at the latest developments around XRP, macroeconomic events this week, and how these declarations tie into the larger picture of financial transformation. Let's begin with the crypto market overview. XRP is currently trading at 3.12, holding relatively neutral levels. Ethereum is at 4,555, showing a gain of more than 3%. Bitcoin is trading at around 118,000 with a modest gain of 0.6%. Cardano is approaching the $1 threshold, recovering by nearly 6%. Stellar's XLM is just above 42 cents with slight upward movement, while Hedera HBAR is trading at 25.5 cents with a 2.3% increase. Overall, the market is showing recovery, but it is still not in the middle of the much-anticipated alt season. The rally in altcoins has not yet fully materialized, though momentum is building. Attention now turns to the Federal Reserve. Chairman Jerome Powell will deliver a speech this coming Friday that markets are watching closely. Investors are looking for signs of rate cuts, with probabilities for a September cut already climbing higher. If Powell's message suggests easing is imminent, it could provide a strong boost to crypto markets. Lower interest rates typically encourage risk-on behavior, fueling capital flows into digital assets. This means that XRP and the broader market could see renewed strength following Powell's comments, although volatility is also expected as traders react in real time. On the geopolitical front, Donald Trump is set to meet with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and European leaders to discuss the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. Any progress toward peace, or even the announcement of a ceasefire, could be a massive catalyst for global markets. A stabilization in Europe would not only improve economic sentiment, but could also align with central bank easing to create a powerful rally environment. These two events, the Fed's policy path and potential geopolitical breakthroughs, are converging in the same week, underscoring just how critical the upcoming days are for XRP and the wider crypto market. Returning to Eric Trump's statement, his remarks carry particular weight because they align with structural changes already underway. He emphasized that the U.S. financial system is outdated, costly, and inefficient, calling for modernization. This is not just rhetoric. On July 14th, the Fedwire system officially transitioned to ISO 20022, a messaging standard that brings blockchain compatibility directly into the core of the financial infrastructure. Few projects are positioned to benefit from this standard, but XRP, XLM, HBAR, XDC, Quan, and Algorand are all among the select group integrated into this framework. This creates a pathway for digital assets to serve as rails for money movement at a scale that was previously impossible. Eric Trump's words essentially confirm that the United States is preparing for a broader digital transformation of its banking system. XRP, with its established track record in cross-border payments and integration with ISO 20022, stands out as one of the primary candidates to bridge legacy finance with blockchain-based settlement. The timing is crucial, as Europe is preparing to launch the digital euro in October. Official documentation shows that contracts and financial flows are being prepared to migrate onto public blockchains like the XRP Ledger. This is no longer speculation. It is being codified into the structure of global finance. When we combine all of these elements, the picture becomes clearer. Eric Trump is not only pointing out the flaws of the current banking system, but is indirectly highlighting the urgency of adopting blockchain-based solutions. Powell's upcoming speech may set the tone for monetary policy, determining whether liquidity flows into or away from crypto. A potential peace deal in Ukraine could unleash a global market rally. And behind the scenes, ISO 20022 adoption The digital euro and blockchain migration are already setting the foundation for a completely new era in financial settlement. The takeaway is that XRP is more than just another digital asset riding speculative waves. It is strategically positioned at the intersection of institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, and technological necessity. While the market is still waiting for alt season to begin, the larger structural shifts suggest that XRP's role will only expand as traditional finance continues to falter. Eric Trump's statement is yet another confirmation that the old system is broken and that blockchain is the inevitable replacement.